Let's integrate this problem using u substitution. Let u 1 minus x squared differentiate u with respect to x du negative 2x dx. Divide both sides with negative 2. We can rewrite the integrand x cubed over square root of u dx. Transform this expression into 1 over square root of u x cubed dx. May natitira tayong x, bawasan natin ng isa. 1 over square root of u x squared x dx. Cancel, cancel. Now, substitute du 1 over square root of u x squared du over negative 2. Transpose this negative 2, negative 1 half 1 over square root of u x squared du. Substitute natin si x squared kay u, negative 1 half 1 over square root of u 1 minus u du. Multiply on both, negative 1 half 1 square root of u minus u over square root of u du. Transform this radical into exponential form, negative 1 half u raised to negative 1 half minus u raised to 1 half du. Applying power rule, x n plus 1 over n plus 1. Negative 1 half u raised to 1 half over 1 half minus u raised to 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. Simplifying this, negative 1 half 2u raised to 1 half minus 2 over 3 u raised to 3 over 2 plus c. Multiply, negative u raised to 1 half plus 1/3 u raised to 3 over 2 plus c. Substitute u, negative 1 minus x squared raised to 1 half plus 1/3 1 minus x squared raised to 3 over 2 plus c.